Okay guys, here we are on the train. Pulled by Little Red Tractor.
Little Red Tractor. We should see him going around the corner in a minute. It's a little bit cloudy today, but...
And after that comes the indoor picnic area and lunch. And after lunch comes sloths. And after the sloths comes the...
What animals are here, look, first? What are these? There's Little Red Tractor with Stan at the wheel.
With Stan at the wheel. He's not the
biggest, but he's a hero. Little Red Tractor. Let's go.
With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too.
And lots of friends in tow. Little Red Tractor.
Let's go. Beep, beep.
We're going on a tractor ride.
As I was saying, after the sloth comes the vintage fun fair. After the vintage fun fair.
Perhaps see some more animals, see if we can find the lions. Oh look at these little ponies. My Little Pony.
The last load of animals.
Oh, it's a wobbly ride. Oh, crikey.
To the indoor adventure play area.
We certainly will.
Subscribers.
We have. I'm wibbling. It's a wobbly ride. Oh! Jolly honey farmers. Oh, look. We'll have a little nap.
I like My Little Pony.
I do too. Oh, that one's on his own. You're right, mate.
There's Pinkie Pie.
Let's go around this side.
In My Little Pony, there's Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, yeah.
And Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah.
Applejack, Rarity, and Fluttershy.
Oh, Fluttershy.
I like Pinkie Pie. I like Jimbo and the Jet Set.
This is a very bumpy track. Look at the views, aren't they beautiful?
Farmer Fred is using tractor to pull this machine.
Yeah. You're like a little tour guide, aren't you?
Over here we can see Farmer Fred.
Farmer Fred, yeah.
Pulling in the train.
I thought it was
tractor.
I thought it was Stan. I thought it was Stan at the wheel.
See Stan.
Little Red Tractor. Let's go.
Get his jobs done.
Imagine living in one of them houses.
Morgan used to tell you.
Yeah, what's that?
There's the Pink Panda police van.
Is there? Well, you spotted that before I did.
Just like in Wicksteed Park.
That's right. Oh, Piggy. Piggy. Hello, Piggy.
Hi, Piggy.
Pepper. Oh. There's Mummy and Daddy Pig.
There's the Sean and over there.
Sean the sheep.
And Shirley.
Shirley?
Which is Sean's mother.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, Sean's gold.
Look at the size of that pig's ears. Whoa!
The one that plays the pink tune when you press his hand.
Oh, Sean?
The singing one.
Yes. I'm Sean the sheep. He's Sean the sheep. What's about with those that cannot bleat?
Keep that in mind.
He's one of a kind. Oh, life is sweet with Sean the sheep. Oh! Right, we're going to enjoy the rest of this train journey. And thank you for joining us on our little tour.
Stay tuned for some kiddie rides.
Yeah, there's going to be some kiddie rides coming, you know it. But first we're going to enjoy this lovely scenery at Folly Farm. Thank you for watching.
Mario's all on his own.
Yeah, Mario's in the car on his own. We left him in there. Whoops.